Pregnancy stitch marks on arms, thighs, necks, wherever it is. You can treat them and fade it out when you follow proper procedure. Each and every cells in our skin regenerate into new cells when damaged. If you make proper regeneration process, you can heal any kinds of scars and stitch marks. In this video, we are going to see proper procedure to repair your stitch marks. Hello friends, welcome to Bamboo House. This channel is all about ancient beauty recipes, different traditional food recipes, ancient natural medicines and a healthy version of modern food recipes. If you are interested in these kinds of information, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. If you don't care and treat like any scars, stitch marks are permanent and may fade with time. Because stitch marks are caused due to a tear deep inside your skin. If you follow proper procedures and treatments, you can fade it well and even can make it unnoticeable. Make sure you watch this video till the end to know proper procedures for stitch mark removal at home. Step 1. Scrub. Naturopathic microdermabrasion method is performed by dermatologist is one of a few clinically proven methods to fade stitch marks. You can do this same treatment at home by scrubbing. To make this scrub, add sugar. You can use granulated sugar if your stitch marks are severe. Fine brown sugar works well for normal stitch marks. It helps to get rid of dead skin cells and cleaning your pores while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Regular exfoliation allows for better penetration of massage oil, which helps for better healing. Add honey. Honey helps to nourish your skin while scrubbing. Honey also helps to lighten stitch marks. Honey has high nutrient value which helps to increase healing effect. Some of the important nutrients in honey helps for tissue regeneration. Add lemon juice. Lemon juice helps to fade dark lines in stitch marks. Natural skin lightening property of lemon juice helps to treat stitch marks. Mix them well. Gently apply this on your scars. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this 3 times a week in your morning bath time. Your skin is now ready for next step. Step 2. Massage. Let's make massage oil. Add coconut oil. Coconut oil can speed up wound healing and promote collagen production. Coconut oil is highly emollient and can help to keep skin hydrated. This may make it more elastic and less prone to stitch marks. Its lauric acid content also make it easily absorbed deep into skin layers, where it may have positive effect on collagen production. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties and may help to reduce healing time for existing stitch marks. Its ability to hydrate skin deeply may also help to reduce itching associated with stitch marks. Coconut oil is sometimes used to brighten the skin. Add olive oil. Olive oil contains lot of nutrition and antioxidants that helps to improve various skin problems, including stitch marks. Vitamin A, D, E present in olive oils are absorbed by the skin. If you look at its nutrient composition, you will realize it has modest amount of vitamin E, K and polyphenols. These plays a very important role in skin protection and collagen production, which result in more elasticity in your skin. You should not apply olive oil alone for your stitch marks, which may dry out your skin. When olive oil combined with coconut oil, it works wonder for stitch marks. Add 1 tablespoon or 10 capsules of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E has excellent hydrating, antioxidant and protective benefits. The benefits of using vitamin E for scars derives from 2 key features, that is, antioxidant and moisturizing properties. Vitamin E is also prized for its moisturizing and smoothing benefits, especially for delicate or damaged skin. With these anti-inflammatory properties, vitamin E is able to calm irritated skin and deeply nourishes dry skin. These antioxidants also promote the production of collagen. Stitch marks are essentially micro tears in your skin's dermis. When stitch marks occur, that's a sign that a tissue has been stretched beyond its ability. This is why promoting skin elasticity and moisture are the best remedies for ensuring your skin's comfort and support as you stretch and grow. Mix them well and your massage oil is ready. Stretch marks can be fade out using the scrub and massage oil, but you can completely remove stretch marks only if you constantly work on it. It is quite long process in which you have to engage every day to help regenerate your cells. Apply this oil on your stretch marks and gently massage for at least 5 to 10 minutes every day. Repeat both the steps for at least 6 months to 1 year. While you massage your skin, it promotes blood circulation around that area. This helps for your skin to gain proper nutrition and grow well. If you keep doing this every day, you will help your skin to regenerate new cells and thereby it helps to fade and remove stretch marks permanently. If you want me to make any other videos, write in the comment section. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up. If you find this video is helpful, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.